Good morning, Raptors, and welcome to Wake Up Raptors, your quick hit news update for everything happening at the Future Fiction Academy. I'm Cassie.
And I'm Melissa. This week's energy, resurrection. Not starting fresh, returning smarter. That half finished draft, that shelved series concept, that newsletter idea you abandoned 3 months ago, it didn't fail. You just weren't ready. Revisit one abandoned piece with everything you've learned since. You'll see it differently now. Business. Your back catalog, old content, and dormant assets are underperforming inventory. Repackage, rebundle, or relaunch one thing that already exists before you build something new. Warning: starting over is often procrastination wearing ambition's coat. Finishing what you started is harder and more profitable. Outcome: if you resurrect one buried idea and give it 72 hours of focused attention, you'll end the week surprised by what was hiding in plain sight. Now let's get right into it because there's a lot happening.
Today, we interrupt regular programming with breaking news from Future Fiction Academy. Several new classes just dropped, discounts are live, and one of them is free. Future Fiction Academy has released 4 new paid standalone classes, now available at 50% off with the code INTENSIVE, all capital letters. The code expires on February 16th, 2026 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 1 week from today. When the clock runs out, the price snaps back. Here's what's included on the discount. Our course, Lit RPG with Ion Timeline, the systems focus class for Lit RPG authors who want scalable mechanics without power creep. Writers learn how to track stats, skills, progression, and world logic inside Ion Timeline. Then integrate those systems with AI tools for consistent series safe drafting. Next is project management with Ion Timeline. This class teaches writers how to plan and manage complex writing projects using dependency-aware timelines. Instead of juggling to-do lists, writers learn how to build flexible schedules and automatically adapt when plans change. Next is Introduction to Claude Skills, designed for writers who want to move beyond basic prompting. This class focuses on building reusable AI skills for outlining, drafting, editing, and market analysis, turning Claude into a structured production assistant instead of a novelty tool. Lastly, we have Writing a Novel series on a budget, a practical course for writers who want to produce connected novella series without expensive tools or bloated workflows. Covers planning, drafting, continuity, and efficient reuse strategies that support rapid release without burnout. And again, these 4 standalone classes are 50% off with the code INTENSIVE, expiring February 16th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Separately, Future Fiction Academy has released a free course. Advanced Kit Bashing, Scaling Revision Without Losing Your Voice. This course focuses on advanced revision techniques for combining drafts, scaling edits, and tightening prose while preserving voice and emotional clarity. It teaches writers how to use AI as a comparison and refinement tool rather than a creative override. As a reminder, from last week's update, we have 2 live limited running workshops that are currently open for enrollment. We have Romance Writing Camp with Harper, led by Harper, an author of over 30 romance novels and an expert in advanced AI prompting. This is a fully guided end-to-end romance intensive designed to take writers from concept to a completed novel. It's a live workshop that meets 3 times per week and runs for 3 weeks, and it includes reusable systems, notes, and executive frameworks. Next, we have Writing Jaff with Notion, an intensive camp with Elizabeth Ann West, led by Elizabeth Ann West. the author of over 25 draft novels, and a leader in Notion based writing systems. It's going to be a live workshop that meets 3 times per week and runs for 3 weeks straight. It focuses on a centralized workflow for drafting, series management, and author operations. And on top of that, you can use other genres. So, writers who enroll in both workshops can purchase a bundle and receive over 30% off per workshop. There are payment plans available through Klarna, Afterpay, and PayPal. All sessions are live and executive focused, with recordings posted for writers in different time zones. For those considering the membership, the FFA membership serves as the central hub for all future Fiction Academy offerings. Members receive access to every standalone course, live Q&A sessions, all tools created by the FFA, and additional classes ranging from foundational workflows to advanced automation, publishing strategies, and marketing systems that did not make the transition to a standalone class. The accelerator is where the full ecosystem comes together, and the link to join is available in the description down below. Speaking of FFA membership, here's Alyssa.
This week's focus is on the resurrection audit, identifying which abandoned project actually deserves your attention. You probably have half finished drafts, shelved series, and abandoned ideas scattered across folders. But not every resurrection is worth it. Some projects were abandoned for good reason. Others are sitting on gold you couldn't see at the time. Here's your action this week. Audit 3 abandoned projects using 4 lenses. For each project, ask the learning delta. What do I know now that I didn't know when I abandoned this? New craft skills, genre conventions, market knowledge, AI tools, workflow improvements. The market test. Is there a clearer path to readers now than there was before? Genre trending, audience growth, better comp titles, new distribution channels? The completion math. How much work would it actually take to finish this? Be brutally honest. 10 hours, 50 hours, a full rewrite? The gut check. Do I still care about this story? Am I just nostalgic about the person who started it? Nostalgia isn't strategy, genuine narrative energy is. By the end of the week, you should have one clear resurrection candidate that scores high on at least 3 of the 4 lenses. That's the project that gets 72 hours of focused attention. Not the one that feels easiest, not the one you abandoned most recently, the one where past work, current skill, plus market reality creates the highest leverage opportunity. Your win this week. You'll know exactly which buried idea deserves to come back, and you'll have a clear eyed plan for why it's worth finishing now.
That's all for this week's update. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with the latest FFA news. Leave a comment on your favorite part of this week's update. What kind of tips and tricks would you like to see in the future? Was this prompt helpful for you? We added something new to the thumbnail. Can you find our Easter egg? Thanks for waking up with us, Raptors, and we'll see you in the next Wake Up Raptors. Bye.